Hey everyone, today I wanted to do a quick review of the Saramonic UWMIC15 system. Comes with a transmitter as well as a receiver. The receiver will have a hot shoe connection on the back, and you can attach that on top of a DSLR or what have you. It has a little antenna here, and like I say, so here's a little hot shoe mount. Your headphone jack right there is on that, and that screws off as well, so you can always replace that if you needed to, if it wears out and such. So then over here, so that would be your receiver, and then over here is the actual microphone. So it's supposed to have there's a little space for a belt clip, but I bought mine used and don't have that currently. Also the removable microphone here, so you can replace that as well, the little lavalier, removable lavalier here. So I'll pull that out, and as you can see, that also has the headphone jack style there, and put that on. And then also the antenna here, so receiver and transmitter, and obviously this is TX15, so for transmitter, and RX for receiver. Now on the side here, you have your battery holder. So there's two little clips here, and it's going to be the same on both. So you're going to pull this out, and then this is where your battery is going to go. And right over here, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's going to show you which way the battery is supposed to go. So that one's actually a little bit more clear. Positive that way, and on this side, positive that way. So I'm going to put my batteries in here real quick. So there's that. It does seem to fit a little bit loosely. And then I'm going to put this battery going this way. And if it ends up being loose, then what I can do is I'll just push these little pins back a little bit, but I'm thinking that the little springs in here are going to push the batteries in place. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, though it's not clear. It probably only goes in one way. Let's see if that's the case. No, it seems to be able to go in either way. Well, we'll find out. Nope, not necessarily. So it only goes in the one way, and that snaps into place. And then here we're going to press power. Turn this guy on. Okay, Saramonic. And it tells you the channel. In this case, channel 16, 578.800 megahertz. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. And this one has the same battery setup, so positive goes this way on this one, and positive goes this way on that one. And then we'll slide that into the springs in there. Battery's facing upward if you're going this way. Alright, and then again we're going to hit power. This is turning on Saramonic. This one says channel 16 as luck would have it, and we're all set. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply attach this lavalier, which is this guy right here, to my shirt, and I'll come back and just do a quick test with the sound coming through the Saramonic system, and we'll see how the sound is different compared to my onboard microphone. I'm actually recording with my Galaxy Note 8 today, and we'll see how that sounds. What I realized as I set this up is, unfortunately, this connector is a TRS instead of a TRRS. And so when recording with my cell phone, I won't be able to get this to work because the cell phone needs a TRRS, which means one more additional ring here. This will work great with a DSLR, but I'd have to get an adapter or get a different cord here in order to get it to work with my phone. So that would be an issue as far as the sound, but I'll see what I can do as far as a sound test later, but thought I'd go through this. So here's the displays on each, and you have a plus and minus as well as a set button. And obviously your power. So power key unlocked. You can lock it so it won't shut off. Mute key enabled. You have IR match with the receiver, the RX. How long the backlight goes on, and you can also restore defaults. And so one of the things that I did over here was go over to match IR with TX, which means the transmitter, and then I click set. And then you can see the red light flash, and then it's going to go over here and try to match here. Same thing you can do over here, match IR with RX, and I'm going to hit press and hold this set button. Match with RX. I'm going to hit it again. Matching. And then the two should then pair with each other. So if you have a static channel, for example, you're definitely going to want to listen to the different channels and see what channel makes the most sense for your operation and what works. And then from there you can, pair and match the two together. So I hope this video was helpful. Haven't had a chance yet to fully review this, but just wanted to show it to you. This set is quite expensive, but I was fortunate enough to get it on eBay used for 40 bucks. Didn't have this belt clip, but that's okay. For the price that I paid, no complaints. So I heard great things about these systems. Do you have one? Would love to hear more from you about it. And, thanks for watching the video. Let's, comment below if you can tell me a little bit more about yours, and, whether you have this or whether you're interested in getting this particular model, or what you recommend. Because I would also like to know, can I run, can I interview two people, or can I talk to two people with just this one unit, or do I need two? And then do I have to get the UwMic15 again transmitter, or if I found some other one, right there you might have seen it said sync finished. If I found another one that was, say, instead of 15, maybe the 10, I've seen those out there, could I get one of each and then still pair both of them with the receiver and have, say, 2 microphones or more going into this receiver? I definitely appreciate your insights, and thanks for watching the video.